Hello friends, Shurya this side, and today's video we are going to be discuss about the topic posting period variant, assignment, and the open and close period. So first we need to be understand the concept of posting period. And previous video we have discussed about the financial year or fiscal year. So we have fiscal year, suppose Jan to December, and period is 01 to 12. So when we have already Jan to December period and we need to be prepare our books of accounts for this period. So why the posting period is required? We can do it by financial year. So posting period is something like that. We can control the transaction at posting level. So suppose now there is September. So now I can open this period and I can also close this period. So suppose end user are day-to-day basis posting a lot of entries. So suppose now we are in September month. So suppose some clerk didn't post any entries and missed out that. Now we are in October or 10th period. So now we can close this previous period, and now we can open this new period. So now user cannot post in that back entry because that period is closed. So now user have to be post this entry in the current period, which period is open. So in SAP we have that concept, we can control the posting transaction. So only that period user can post which is open. So suppose they have to be post that transaction in the previous period and it's already closed. So we request to the consultant and the SAP team, IT team, so they will open the period as per the process and the business approval. Then we can post the entry in the backdate. But now this concept we can control the transaction. So that is the basically concept of the posting period. So by posting period variant, we will control the posting at transaction level. So we can control the postings. So let's start. So what first is define posting period variant. So first we need to be create a posting period variant. So we'll create at a client level. So if we need to be use this, so we can use it with multiple company code. So TS71. So posting period variant for TS71. We can save this. It's saved. So now what is second? Second is the assignment of posting period variant. So now we can assign this with our company code in respect of our company code TS71. So T code is OBBP. So just select from position your company code and assign that variant. Done. So now as we discuss this concept close and open period, so how we can use that functionality? So that is from open period and close period. So that is basically the month end activity. Every month who is responsible from the business will take care of that and open the current period and close the previous period. So we'll see here how we can do that. So suppose I'm taking the example of current company, okay, SS81. So I'm just copying from this company code. So now my posting period variant is TS71. So I can copy here. So here you can see we have a lot of symbols. So what is the use of that symbols? So by these symbols we can control the posting of the specific transactions like assets related transactions, customer related transactions, vendor related transactions, material related transactions, and GL related transactions. So by using this we can control. So we need to be understand for this. We have in first this row we have the normal period, and in this rows we have the special period, and in last previous video we have discussed about the special period. So now what does that mean? 1 to 12. So it means that period is open for 1 to 12. If you want to close the period and you want to open the only current period like September, so you can mark like this, September to September. So now only September is open, other periods are closed. So in October, month of October, what you will do, you will mark it like this. So it means that September is closed and October is open. So now you want to open September as well as October, so you can mark like this, 9 to 10. So that is the basically concept of that. So it means 1 to 12 means all periods are open. So user can post in any period. So suppose if you want to control or close period only for a like customer accounts AR part, like for customer, D is representing for customer. So you can close this period. Like I want to close this period and open this period like this, September to September. So I can do only for that customer. If you want to do for vendor, so you can do like this. So now October is open, all the periods are closed. So like this you can use this functionality. So same like this we have a special period, so you can open 13 to 13. If you want to open 13 to 14, you can 13 to 15 and 16. So now we can do like this, save it. So it's saved. So now we maintain this, and every month you have to be perform that activity. You have to be close the previous period and open the new period like this only. So I think now it's clear to you. So that is the concept of the posting period variant. So other topics we'll discuss in next video. Thank you for watching this video.